Heavy rainfall continues in the Western Ghats region of Maharashtra, leading to a significant rise in water levels of rivers in the Chikkodi subdivision. According to reports, an inflow of 1.34 lakh cusecs of water is entering the Krishna River, following which the NDRF team has been kept on alert in Chikkodi. Several religious places have been affected due to the rising water levels. The famous Bengali Baba Temple in Karadaga village, Datta Temple located in Kallol, and Baba Mansoor Shah Wali Dargah in Mullanki have been submerged. A total of 11 low-level bridges under the Chikkodi subdivision have been submerged due to the heavy flow of water. Of these, 5 bridges in Nipani taluk, 4 bridges in Chikkodi taluk and 1 bridge in Kagwad taluk have been affected. The Kudachi-Ugar bridge has also been closed due to the rising water levels. Authorities have arranged alternative routes for public transportation as several roads and bridges have been affected. Meanwhile, water levels in Krishna, Ganga and Hiranyakeshi rivers are rising significantly every hour due to continuous rainfall. The district administration has issued a warning to the public and advised people not to enter the rivers as a precautionary measures. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.